Fountain and lake. Woods and road. Palm trees, outside seating. Swimming pool, clubhouse with kitchen area, bar with stools, sofas and easy chairs, poker table, fireplace. A gym with exercise machines and free weights. A yoga room with mats. The apartment has neutral walls and light trim. Neutral carpet in bedroom. Ceiling fans, ensuite bath, balcony. The apartment model is furnished in a contemporary way. A person selects a book from a pile on a table. They sit on the couch and read. The kitchen has light cabinets with neutral stone-inspired counters, chrome-colored appliances, which include built-in microwave and dishwasher. Walk-in closets in the bedroom. A balcony with plants and chairs. Shopping mall. Swimming pool. Text, Sonceto Apartments.